I haven't done a kind of a vloggy style in quite some time, but I'm in the process of fixing my headboard. As you can see, I've taken apart my bed. I also vacuumed, and when I did, this entire thing filled up because I haven't vacuumed under my bed in 8 months, so whoops. But yeah, here's my what's the word? The base. I don't know what to call it. But the support for the mattress, it's a foam mattress. And here's my lovely headboard. So I was filming a room makeover last August, which I have not posted because this fell over and all the towels fell out. And
3:28 a.m.
Are you like stuck to my carpet? Yep.
They ask you how you're doing, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Like, these ripped off. I have the past 8 months had this held on with tape. So I need to fix this finally. Oh, my little screen got moved. So yeah, been a little embarrassed by that. I also don't really want this anymore. I paid $800 for it back in 2016 when I got my first big boy credit card. And I've had it ever since. I've had this stuff for, I got it actually June 2016, I think. Maybe it was May. It was either May or June. So I've had this for like 6 years. And I'm sick of it, honestly. It's just, it's so big, it's so chunky. I don't know why my brain's like, get a big chunky headboard. Like, and footboard, like there's even like a gap between the footboard and where the mattress sits. So you can like tuck your bedding in and stuff. And I'm just like, I don't like it. I want it smaller. The problem is I'm like, what do I do with this big thing? Because I'm not gonna try selling it. No one's gonna want to buy those. Literally no one. I could just put it on the street and someone would probably take it, honestly. Yeah. Not the greatest. So yeah, I have my lovely toolkit over here, powered up, 'cause I need to drill new holes. Because the holes got widened when it fell. I don't know why, just because the screws getting gripped out, it caused the holes to flare. So I need to make new ones. So also I need to glue the tiles down, and I got Gorilla Glue for that, so that should work, because they're like ceramic tiles. They're not, I thought they were stone, but they're definitely like a stone facade, and then it's just ceramic underneath. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah, I was gonna just hit the button, but we'll just do this. Okay, I've drilled my new holes. Here's the little framings taken off. Alright, here's what it looks like underneath. We love that. So you can see, you can kind of tell where the original holes were because they're very nicely done. And then here's what I had to do. I should have put some tape down over it so it wouldn't like split so badly, but it's just like I have to make the holes. This one's okay. That one didn't fall out, surprisingly. It's just these ones. So now I just gotta put some Gorilla Glue right here and then hope for the best with the tiles to sit in there. Because they were glued originally, because you can see there's like some green coloring. So I think, well, this is just staining, but I think there was probably a little bit of glue previously. I tried to glue it down previously, as you can see. Didn't work very well. I probably will put glue on there as well, to be honest, just so that way it has some extra strength, but we'll see. So, oh, my screen moved. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue them down, let them sit for a couple hours, and then we'll be back. So see you then. Okay, so we're back. It's been 2 hours, and the Gorilla Glue, this is what I used to glue everything in place, is working pretty well. Like, it's just, there's no give, really. There's a little bit, but not much. But this, unfortunately, didn't hold down, but right here did. So I think it's gonna be okay. But now I'm at the dilemma, is I have to pick it up and screw it in. So the problem is I didn't screw into the frames themselves because it has self-tapping screws. So it's like I'm not gonna pre-drill that. But I am worried that because I glued the frames in place, I did my best to line them up, but I'm worried they're not gonna be lined up perfectly. They look okay though, like, you know, let me show them. Like, they look like they're lined up pretty well. Because some of the veneer did rip, because this is an oak bed frame, but it does have one of those like stained veneer finishes on top of the oak. So you can see little damages there, unfortunately. But there's not much I can do about that, clearly. So that's where it's like, I don't know. Oh, I wish I could see myself. So I don't know if that's gonna be okay. Like, did I line it up well enough? I don't know. We're gonna hope. I'd record myself doing that part, but if it doesn't work out, I don't need that recorded like I did when the headboard fell over. I probably have inserted that at some point earlier in this video when I'm editing this. So, you know, maybe I'll just flash back to that. Yes, here we go. Okay, so we got a problem. The self-tapping screws didn't want to self-tap very much. So as you can see, whoop, it's hard when one hand, they're kind of sticking out a little bit. But everything's secure enough, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. Because honestly, I'm probably gonna end up replacing this at some point. Because it's really heavy, and I'm just sick of the look of it. So, you know, the Gorilla Glue is what I use to hold it in place. It's holding. It should be fully cured in 24 hours, so I think it will be fine, honestly. And then once, ouch, just pricked myself with some veneer. That's fun. But once, you know, I find a bed frame I want, we'll switch it out. Like, I'll probably just put it on the street and someone will take it, honestly. They'll make use of it. What I should have did was, like, pre-drilled the holes on the frames as well, but I didn't because I didn't have to do it for the first time I did it, because the screws I have behind here and right here are self-tapped. I didn't pre-drill those ones, and it worked just fine, so I don't know. But, like, you know, I can wiggle and there's no noise. You know, there's no worry about the tile's gonna fall on my head while I'm sleeping, and that was the concern. It's just to secure the tile. The Gorilla Glue is securing the tile. I think we'll be fine. That's the main thing. The frames aren't gonna go anywhere. They're also Gorilla Glued on there, so I think they'll be fine. There's some loose edges, but like, I'm not super concerned about that. So, it's fine. Alright, I'm gonna get my bed back together and then we'll end this vlog at some point. Alright, be right back. Okay. It is back up. And I think we'll be good. Everything's attached. I can wiggle. Nothing moves. Nothing makes noise. There is still some gapping, as you can see, like right here, but I can't do much about it. I think the towel used to be like more attached to the frame than the backing, but I gotta make do with what I got, so that's what I got. As long as it stays in place, that's all that really matters, and well, as long as it lasts until I replace it. Because I don't know how much longer I'm gonna want this. It's so big and bulky. I loved it 6 years ago, but 6 years ago me was a very different person. So I think I'm gonna end it here. Very quick vlog, honestly, so it's me just talking. I'm gonna finish my laundry because I washed all my bedding and stuff since I take it off anyways. Perfect time to wash it, and I'm gonna bring everything back in, like, literally, like, hello. Got like my duvet over here, my pillows, there's more behind there. Air purifier, I also got like my nightstand that goes literally right there, so yeah, we're gonna end it here. Anyways, see ya.